Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. This is going to be spend a few days with me. I am currently in a hotel. I checked in here yesterday, but yesterday I didn't film anything because I just checked in, took a shower, and I took a nap. After that, I went out to have dinner, but I didn't film anything because like I was feeling so awful. So today I think I feel better a little bit. Yeah, I feel better. I have a flu and I have a crazy runny nose. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is going to be like a spend a few days with me. I checked in yesterday. I'm gonna check out tomorrow, and I'm also gonna put a clip of the things that I was doing in Lebombo. I was in Lebombo, like I had like a really hectic week. That's why I decided to book myself for a weekend and give myself a break and a treat, like far from the stress of the real world. I just wanna like relax. That's what I wanted for myself this weekend, and I think I'm having that. Besides that, I'm having flu and it's ruining things for me, but it's okay. So I was in Libombo. I was installing my parents' tombstones for both of them. Yeah, it took I think it took 2 weeks because like there was rain in between, and yeah, so that really ruined my plans. It made me stay in Libombo longer, and yeah, it was not part of the plan, but at least it's done. So yeah, it was a busy, crazy week for me. So yeah, I'll just put clips towards the end of this vlog. So right now it is 10 o'clock. I'm gonna go have breakfast, and what else? I'm gonna go by the pool and yeah, maybe have a few drinks. I think they have a bar. There's sort of like a bar area there. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. This is day one of getting the tombstones installed. They started with my dad's tombstone because he passed away in 2023. So the grave is a bit closer to the main road, as you can see. Even though they finished up late because they started installing around 3 p.m. because in the morning it showed like it was going to rain, but they ended up coming. And then this is the clip that I took the following day because the other day we finished up very late. And then after a few days, they came and installed my mom's, and it was very deep inside. We had to carry with water and sand with buckets from the main road to bring it closer. And this is how it looks like when they're done. I chose the same design for both of them. Yeah, I'm really happy with the job. Thank you for watching. Bye.